sister in there? Do you want to see her?
Yeah.
Look. Go see her, Jackie.
The baby.
She's so tiny. What do you think, Bernice?
She's so little, huh?
What did you make for her, Bernice?
Really cute.
What did you make her?
Cute.
She is cute. Can you say baby sister?
Baby teacher.
Can you say Mary Lou?
Lulu.
Yeah, Lulu. You don't know where it is? Do you like her?
She's so little.
It's over on the shelf over here, buddy. Do you like her, Jackie?
Yeah.
She's too nice. You gotta be quiet. Gotta be quiet. Is she so pretty?
Yeah.
Do you want to touch her? Oh, nice. You made her a card.
Look inside it.
Oh, it's got rainbows and a heart. Should we take her out and hold her?
I want to hold it.
Okay, let's